Morning, shot with Mick Miller here. And again, it's shot with Mick Miller for a bit. Jack is working in the gun shop today, selling lots of shooting merchandise, hopefully. I'm just wandering around here. Got a call from the farmer, done some drill, getting hit by rooks, crows and pigeons, so let's have a go. Basically, I've had a quick setup, but we've got you can see there's a pigeon flying across from the background now. Had to stop because the chap's spraying, and so I let him spray. So I've had to only put a few decoys out because I'd see him going around the other field, so I knew he was putting some sort of spray down on the drill. So I'll let the farmer finish doing that, and I'll reset. Basically, what I'm doing, I'm putting half some crow decoys out and then half pigeon decoys. Seems to work these last few months, and I've tried it. Put the camera on the head. The cartridge I'm trialing today is super fast, which is a Hull 5.5 32. So again, in between the shots. So I've had about four shots, and I've shot a crow, a rook, and a pigeon so far. So I must admit, they do stop them. I do like them. And recommend my two friends, Richard and James. So I borrowed a box off Richard because what I don't want to do, I've done it so much in the past, you buy 250 rounds, you don't get on with them, and you've got 225 left. So I've just borrowed a box, and I think I'll be buying a few more for the season. Anyway, you can see old farmer's going to do spraying. Once he's finished that, I'm now going to go and use the machete and get some bush just to cover the hide up a little bit better. And yeah, let's hopefully up to lunchtime this afternoon to get some shooting. That's down. That's it. Cool. Yeah, good cartridges. Two in one shot, two in one shot, two in one shot. I hope that's recording that. Okay, here we go. Cool. Yeah, I've caught this right, found a good place here. Between 3 fields really. That field, this little field here, and there's another field behind us, so it's split 3 ways really. So it's a nice little place here, and got a flight line. Obviously 2 things: speak to your farmer to find out what has been drilled, and also sit in your vehicle for about 20 minutes to half, just have a look, see what's going on before you lug all your stuff across there and set up. Make sure you got it right. And these flight lines just change, you know, just 'cause you see them on Thursday, Friday, might have changed on Saturday. So it's always best to have a little look. That's the 2 pearls of wisdom today. I've literally run out of cartridges now, well into double figures now. So I'm going to go and have a sandwich and have a cup of tea and tidy the decoy thing. I'll put a crow out there first of all, on the float here, sort of, I think, deter the pigeons. So I've put a pigeon on top, and so I've been getting quite a few shots of pigeon now. So it's all good. Okay. Yes. Oh, come on, drop. That's it. Right and left. Have some of that. Oh. Shot. Right in the bloody hedge. Oh, what's that? God. Right, always look for runners and also pigeons. See, this one's falling out the field. Obviously I've hit it quite hard and it's there, and that does happen, especially when you're using 5-shot. Our hide's about half a mile over there, so yeah, I've just found another runner over there as well, so yeah, it's good. Go. God. God. Brilliant. Got him. Right, we're going to call it a day now because basically the sun has now set. Jack has come back from the shooting shop. He's had a couple of shots, which is good. You actually shot something, Jack, didn't you?
Yep.
So it's not all bad. We haven't got time to do a proper outro because it's getting dark, but I've got to say that this little field here, I shot this hedge line with a good friend of mine called Tim, and that was back in 1987. And so, yeah, and I haven't shot this field since. So it's quite nice to come back and have some really good shooting, and we'll get all these out tomorrow. We'll just sack them up for tonight and put them on the concrete tonight so they cool down, then tomorrow we'll do a proper outro. Okay. Right, that is the total bag of yesterday. 65 picked. I think Jack, you shot a pigeon at 66, isn't it?
Yep.
There's another 4 or 5 in that hedge that I just couldn't get. It's too thick in there, but that's stone dead. So great day. I'm not going to waffle on. There's quite a bit of footage yesterday, so Jack will get cracking on that. The cartridge that we were trying yesterday was the whole super fast Pigeon, which is 32 gram, 5.5. And I must admit, they did do a good job. I only had a box from that box there, but no, they certainly did the job. Certainly stopped the birds. Yeah, good day. 5 right and lefts. Shot 2 jackdaws with 1 shot as well. I haven't done that for a long time, obviously in South Africa. But no, great day. Okay, over to you, Jack.
Alright, so we've got a very special announcement to make. We started this YouTube channel back in 2017, around about the time that we first uploaded our videos. And since then there's been ups and downs. We've had a bit of a break in between, but there's been one thing that's slowly been rising throughout our whole career on YouTube, and that is the subscribers. And yeah, we finally reached 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. Thank you very much everybody who's been there along the way for all the support, comments, likes, you know, all of that good stuff. That's what keeps it going for us, really. And yeah, keep the barrel swinging, and then on to further milestones, hopefully.
Well done, and well done for Jack. Like I say, he's the guy that obviously condenses 6 hours of shooting, spends hours going through all the shots, and obviously there has been a few shots. Obviously we couldn't do the misses, the actual shots that we're missing, because it'd be like a Lord of the Rings film, wouldn't it? Go on for about 3 hours. Yeah. Anyway, no, it's all good. Well done, mate. Well done.
Cheers, and well done for obviously Mick Miller himself on the front of the camera at all times, and highs and lows. But yeah, very, very good.